Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the iPad and removing the case. This prevents short circuits and keeps parts aligned. Once done, heat the screen edge with an eye opener or low-heat pad to soften adhesive so you can lift the front glass safely. Use a suction handle to create a small gap, then insert a thin pick and gently slide around. You want to separate adhesive, not crack the glass. Make sure to keep screws organized as you go. Different lengths matter later. Once the front is lifted to about 15 to 30 degrees, prop it so it won't close on you. Preventing hinge stress protects the flex cables. Next, remove the small bracket screws that cover the display connectors. Use the tri-point and keep screws separated. Then, carefully pry up the battery connector first to cut power and disconnect the display cable connectors with a plastic spudger. This prevents shorting. After all connectors are free, lift the display assembly away slowly to expose the internal frame. You now transfer any sensors or cameras from the old screen, fit new adhesive strips, and align the replacement glass precisely to the frame. Proper alignment avoids gaps and pressure points. Reconnect the display cables and then the battery, reinstall the connector bracket and screws, and close the iPad gently. Power it on and test touch response, display uniformity, Face ID or home button function, and cameras. If you see unresponsive,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.